What if I told you the Milky Way galaxy as we know it is doomed? In just a few billion years, the stars, planets, and everything within our cosmic neighborhood will crash into a neighboring galaxy in a cataclysmic event that will reshape the universe as we see it. This isn't science fiction, it's a cosmic inevitability, but how will it happen? What will it mean for Earth? And could this galactic collision actually lead to the birth of something extraordinary? Let's take a journey back in time, 13.8 billion years ago to the Big Bang. This monumental explosion set the stage for the formation of everything: stars, planets, galaxies, and even us. Among the countless galaxies born from that moment, two stand out in our story today: the Milky Way and Andromeda. Separated by a vast stretch of 2.5 million light-years, these two colossal galaxies are hurtling toward each other at an astonishing speed of 250,000 miles per hour. That's over 10 times faster than a bullet from a rifle. While this might sound terrifying, what's truly fascinating is what this collision means for the future of the universe. We're not talking about destruction. We're talking about transformation on a scale that's hard to fathom. So buckle up as we dive into the details of one of the most dramatic events in cosmic history. The idea of galaxies colliding might sound apocalyptic, but it's actually a natural part of the universe's evolution. Galaxies aren't static. They're dynamic, swirling hubs of stars, planets, gas, and dark matter, constantly moving and interacting. The Milky Way and Andromeda are no exception. The gravitational pull between them has been drawing them closer together for billions of years. The problem? When two galaxies collide, their stars don't just neatly pass by one another. Gas clouds slam together, creating bursts of star formation. Entire star systems are ejected into intergalactic space, and the very structure of both galaxies is torn apart and reformed into something entirely new. This cosmic dance raises a question. How will the Earth and our solar system fare during this monumental event? To understand the future, let's first break down what a galaxy collision really looks like. Unlike car crashes or explosions here on Earth, galaxy collisions happen in slow motion. The entire process will take billions of years to unfold. Here's a timeline of what's to come. First contact is in about 4.5 billion years. Andromeda will appear as a bright, looming object in the night sky, growing larger and larger as it approaches. At this stage, gravitational interactions between the two galaxies will begin to distort their shapes. The Milky Way's familiar spiral arms will stretch and warp as Andromeda's gravity tugs at our stars and gas clouds. Collision begins. As the galaxies start to overlap, their gas clouds will collide at high speeds. This creates shock waves that compress the gas, igniting bursts of star formation. These newly formed stars will light up the cosmos, making the night sky more spectacular than ever before. The chaos phase. Over the next few 100 million years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will pass through each other multiple times, each encounter distorting their shapes further. Stars will be flung into new orbits, and some may even be ejected entirely into intergalactic space. Don't worry, though. The distances between stars are so vast that actual collisions between them are incredibly rare. Final merger. Eventually, the two galaxies will settle into a single unified structure. Astronomers predict this new galaxy will be an elliptical galaxy dubbed Milkomeda. It will be larger, more massive, and very different from the familiar spiral shape of the Milky Way. Impact on the solar system. Now the big question: what happens to Earth? Surprisingly, the chances of our solar system being directly affected are slim. We might be flung into a different orbit within the new galaxy, but our sun and planets are unlikely to collide with other stars. The main change will be the view from Earth. The sky will be filled with new stars, nebulae, and possibly even the remnants of Andromeda's core. The most dramatic moment of this collision will be the formation of the new galaxy. Imagine a cosmic firework display as billions of stars and gas clouds settle into their new positions. This transformation is not just a spectacle, it's a reminder of the universe's ever-changing nature. What started as two distinct galaxies will become one, a testament to the power of gravity and the cycles of creation and destruction that govern our cosmos. But what does this mean for humanity? By the time this collision happens, Earth's fate might already be sealed. The sun will have evolved into a red giant, possibly engulfing our planet. If humanity survives to witness this event, it will likely be from a new home among the stars. So, what can we take away from the inevitable collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda? This event isn't just a destructive force, it's a cosmic rebirth. It's a reminder that even in the chaos of the universe, beauty and creation emerge. While our time here on Earth is fleeting compared to the lifespan of galaxies, understanding events like this helps us appreciate the vastness and wonder of the cosmos. The Milky Way's future may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: the universe always finds a way to surprise us.